How to download and install Python on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, head over to python.org. On this website, hover your mouse to the download section, go to download for Windows and click on the latest installer file. Let the installer file download firstly. Once the installer file has been downloaded, click on the installer file to begin the installation right away. Run. Now here are a couple of things that you need to remember. You're going to check these two boxes here, use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. Now go to customize installation. Now if you don't want any of these optional features to be installed, you can just uncheck these boxes here. It's always a better option to tick all these options here so that you get the PEEP and IDLE, Python test suite, etc. So click on next. Now if you are an administrator of this PC, you can click on this first option here, install Python for all users, and click on install. It shows here setup was successful. To confirm the installation of Python on PC, close this here, and then we're going to go to CMD from the source box. CMD, open this, and if you type in here Python version, it shows that we have the Python version 3.13.3, which confirms the installation of Python. Also, you can search IDLE on the source box, which is a program of Python here, this one. Since it's running completely fine here, it means the successful installation of Python on PC. Just give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write in the comments and subscribe to this channel.